Situated in the nature's palm in Dehradun and spread over an area of 50,000 square feet, Prodot's manufacturing unit is equipped with latest technology machines and about 700 truly proficient and well-trained workers and engineers to produce more than 10 million high-quality products per annum. Prodot's manufacturing facility is divided into 6 divisions. RM Shop, which comprises of a huge, superbly managed area where the quality raw materials procured in huge quantities from the best national and international sources are stored. Production Shop, where the individual components of all Prodot products are manufactured. It comprises of high-quality programmable logic-controlled injection molding machines operated under supervision of highly skilled technical and production specialists. Workers here have a commitment to clean work process. Assembly Shop. The individual components manufactured are assembled to make the final product at the assembly shop, which covers almost 10,000 square feet area. All workers are well trained to follow internationally accepted procedures of assembly. Batch and online testing is a custom at Prodot. QA Shop, where each product manufactured is tested to ensure it is of the highest quality. Defective products, if any, are sent back in the process of improvement. Packaging Shop, where pneumatic printing and packaging machinery is installed to ensure packaging with flawless finishing. Warehouse, where FIFO-based inventory management system is followed to ensure sufficient availability of fresh stock every time, which can cater to ever-increasing demand of Prodot products. Prodot has its own transportation system to ensure safe and low-cost mobility of goods. Prodot is the only company to produce made-in-India keyboards and mouse. High-quality ABS plastic granules are used in their production to provide products with better tensile strength. High-quality PCBs and copper wires are used to ensure best connectivity. In Prodot TMP cartridges, special nylon 66 fabric tinted with oil base, self-spreading and fade-resistant inks is used to develop ribbons, assuring sharp and consistent printouts. Internationally approved ultrasonic welding machines are used to attain extra smooth and strong ribbon joints. Prodot laser toner cartridges are assembled in perfect environment conditions, comprising of clean and dust-proof workplace with dim lights, controlled humidity and room temperature. Each cartridge passes through various quality tests to deliver crisp and dark printouts. Prodot inks are a perfect example of liquid engineering, formulated with accurate pH, surface tension and viscosity as per printer's specification to deliver clear, sharp and consistent printouts. Prodot surge protectors are molded in-house using high-quality plastic granules. They use better performing high-end components like MOVs, resetter switches, contacts and copper wires to make international standards. In support of Make in India, Prodot.